Morning, morning,
Morning.
morning. How are you?
Good and you?
All right.
How's the rain that side?
Hey, it was insane.
Yeah, man, and the thunder too.
Yeah, that was. I thought it was gonna be like that. You remember that other one where the road started flooding and all that.
Oh,
That
it
that
was
one
very bad, man.
that day was over here.
Yeah, that was really bad that day.
Eesh. It seems
Whole
like
day it's gonna rain.
yeah, hectic weather. I was making my tea. It was waiting long in the line.
Oh, no, very. This internet was giving us a problem. It's taking long to connect.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Gavin must
no,
be
I does that.
updating his game.
No, I put the PC on.
Oh, okay, okay. You never update the game.
Uh-uh. Just got up now.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Yeah, Friday. It's a Friday.
Yeah, wasn't sure if we were gonna have a meeting or not.
Yeah, I didn't know myself too. But I said, let me just check up. You'll never know what can happen.
Yeah.
I didn't want you to send it on the page. It's because then Turvan will see it, and Turvan is in Mazos too.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You'll say that we can do the zooms and but we can't come and help him to cut banana leaves.
Oh, that's what he's doing.
That's all he's supposed to do now. Oh, it's just to get one banana leaf, but he'll make it a big thing.
Yeah.
You say he had to
Yeah,
go
for
here in
the
the rain, like last month, not the other one. He came here last night.
okay. Yeah.
No, actually, we was coming back home when I picked Keshni up. He saw me turning, and he was also on the road at the same time. So he came and he said, "Hey, he's going now, Mars house to pick up. He's taking Keith and going."
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. I wasn't sure Keith was gonna be there.
Yeah, but they're coming back because Keith is working today.
Oh.
Yeah.
His boss should give him at least a few hours off for the morning and then go back.
Yeah. You see, Joash took a sell on US 30.
This morning.
Yeah, Keshni told me. But he took a buy on US 30. But I don't know why he took a buy. I don't know. You check the messages. Morning, morning.
I didn't even look.
You had your tea.
No, we woke up.
The tea tastes nice today, man.
Oh, that's why.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, he took buys.
Yeah, it's holding
Oh,
up.
when I woke up in the morning, the only message I saw was high chance of false moves and
Okay, okay.
manipulation. I left it. I didn't even bother to read the rest of it.
But I see why he took a buy, but it's above a resistance. It's on support. On a higher time frame, you must be put the 1 hour there, and he dropped it down to the minute and took a entry of that dodgy candle of the 1 minute. I'm catching up with his
Right.
strategy there. I'm catching up. That's the whole idea. I want to see what he sees. You notice
nice.
as we getting more deep in his strategy, we improvising in our own strategy. It's like we getting more better in what we do.
Yeah.
Like look at yesterday when we done 4:30 or 3:30, we managed to get it at much lower than what he was in. So if I'm so sad about that, I don't want to talk about that. Shit. That's
Yeah, what
it.
a dropper.
No. I was in deep profit there, Gavin.
Yeah.
Yeah, look here. What I told you yesterday, where's that chart there? Let's go here to the 30 minutes. Let me show you something. It's just that I left it and I came away, isn't it?
Yeah.
Sometimes.
Yeah, it hit full. Lucky it never gets slipped, man. What if I never put a stop loss? That's another thing. Yo.
Yeah.
But as soon as I left the stream, I told Gavin, I'm putting a stop loss. I'm okay with risking that amount.
Yeah.
But I'm just happy that it never gets slipped. That's the main thing. You get slipped to that there, shit, I'll be screwed. I would have blew my account.
Yeah, definitely.
That was a mad drop. Look at it, eh? Shit, you can't even see it. You know how my heart went when I opened my MT4 because I was in Keshni's house. You know, Wi-Fi I had there. I'm looking at Nasdaq price. I'm saying no.
I was
Now,
trying to send you a message.
now the only flop was I had the wrong phone with me, so I don't know my login password and all that for my MT5 because I saw him move such a big move. I said, please do not tell me my stop loss got slipped. You know, sometimes it can get slipped, it can not trigger.
Yeah.
And now I'm thinking now, I got a phone that I don't trade with. They got nothing to trade with there, you know, like no details, nothing of mine. I had to go check on my emails, couldn't find anything. Then I remembered that lucky one of my XM account, I could log in, not to the account now, to the website. You know, there's the brokers. I managed to find the login number. I logged into it and I said, shit, lucky.
Oh,
Uh,
yeah, man.
the stop loss got triggered.
Yeah.
But it was, you know, if I only had my phone, you know, you showed me the charts there by opposing. It was right here on the
Yeah.
peak at that time.
The peak, yeah.
The next 7 o'clock candle came and boom, I don't know, 7 or 8, just reversed the whole thing.
Either,
But
yeah.
you might think about something. Volume was in a sell, huh? All time frames. You remember that it was weak.
Yeah.
Those buys was weak. So when I entered over here. I think somewhere here. And then the price was up like about 270. Yeah, it was 280, 270. Should have just secured the
Yeah.
bag. Sometimes it's good to secure. You must learn to secure
Yeah.
your profits.
Yeah, we secure sometimes, but sometimes we don't want to miss out on that move, you know?
Yeah, must. Like, you see, yesterday, 338. You could have secured the bag there, but you just don't want to. I think you want to see like Joe Ash's figures. That's why. Joe Dash.
No, we just didn't want to lose out. You know?
Yeah, it broke the baseline, isn't? I can't remember it.
I think so.
I never even do revision last night. Slept away.
How's this buy you took?
Not, at the moment, it's on the drawdown. Not good. See, there's it here, right? The market is on a downtrend right from the yesterday's drop. So I'm sure he looked at this candle over here. See this 1 hour rejection here.
Yeah.
That one there. There's this candle. See that one candle before this candle drop. That's a 1 hour. See, that was a bullish candle. See, this previous candle must have flipped bullish and then flipped bearish after that. Because now that's the higher time frame. He doesn't use the higher time frame. Must have checked the 1 hour, 1 minute. 1 minute must be was forming support there. What time he gave it? 3 o'clock in the morning?
No, it's only in the 7.
Oh, something is 7.
Woke up late.
Yeah. We must be check the rain to recognize top day to sleep. Yeah, he's right here too. The rain is for him too. The same thing is he's experiencing. You know how close he lives to us? It's like we can just take a drive and go wait outside his house. Yeah, but no.
You don't know which house.
Yeah, plus I'm sure he's staying in an estate, so you have to go through a boom gate.
Yeah.
I think I can find his house. because you know when he's driving on the roads, he shows the roads. From the roads, I can identify which part of Amshlanga he's from. But nice, but he lives in Amshlanga,
I think
man.
that
Hmm?
need a
You updated
Zoom
your
is recorded. You can't say anything.
Oh, it's recording. No, this one
No.
I won't upload this one, yeah.
Yeah, because just now he gets kidnapped for real. They think it's a bus.
Oh yeah. We think we're planning something, yeah. Yeah, but what he's saying is holding.
No, that's not him.
I don't know if he's in the trade or
No,
he's
it's where's Kesh.
Oh, she's young. She's having tea.
Hello, how are you?
Oh, Zin.
Morning.
Good day, good
He's
day.
saying morning, good day. You can hear them.
Yep.
Well, let me put your my mic on. You can hear them. Sounds, yeah. Playback, speaker. Hey, my check. I was playing games with Gavin's game yesterday. Oh. Bugatti Veyron. Woo!
That explains why you came back like one depressed duck.
Gavin's games make me depressed.
Oh,
Hey man, that's for visualizing. You're supposed to visualize in that game.
yeah. I only cruise in that game.
It was high speed that there. Hello? Testing.
Hello.
Okay, let me see. I'm just putting my
Okay.
Yes.
testing 1, 2. Yeah, but you got one to top cars there, I must say. Yeah. When you're selling your PC, you must sell it to me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Gonna upgrade. Ish.
You could hear that.
Yeah. Like you're having some network difficulties.
Clint played quad last night. I don't know if he said
Yeah.
he was asking players. I don't know if he said DK or what. Because they will be looking for another player, the players. So he asked DK, some other O playing. He was waiting because he checked. I said, "Hey, how's it, bro?" He said, "Oh, wait, DK, I'm good, bro." Now, see, he's recognizing me. Hey, very nice.
Good man.
Yeah,
Messaging him on
Yeah, start tagging him, I think.
yeah.
know we'll
That'd be a good thing that there.
Yeah.
why not?
And you know, you start building up in Forex, I think you'll see the potential.
Yeah.
A flop. Now, yesterday, the game wasn't updated, so I couldn't play. Damn, I was watching. Hey, top.
Right, kill him.
Hey, the new
Kill
one.
that.
The new one is tops, man. You must check the city out. Yeah. You checked it out.
Yeah. So
Now,
change the whole game.
if you get 5 players, you need 6 players. The next one, isn't?
No, 4.
What?
4,
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, okay. You can't get 6 player.
No.
Damn.
Can't.
I'm just checking because now if it'll be tops if me and you could join too because I noticed there's always two bras of his always playing with him.
Yeah.
Hmm.
No, but I think all different people every time he gets. Sometimes there's no one there.
Yeah, but I must just learn to speak up while I'm playing with him. See if I can use this headset here on the PS would be better because it's more clearer. You know what I mean? But then that place
Yeah, there's no jack.
Mm.
You can plug one on.
Yeah, that's the thing. You plug one, then I can't hear him then.
You can use the mic there, then use the monitor or your speaker for sound.
No. Then you would get an echo then.
It needs to be a bit far from your screen.
Oh yeah. No, then I can't hear the O's walking and all that.
Yeah, that's another thing.
Yeah, man. That's the thing.
No, why are you talking at it?
You have to hear the O's walking if you're in the building.
Oh,
You told me
hey,
that only.
sometimes I play with the sound off.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it gets irritating. The plane noise is so loud.
Yeah.
Put it slow and play sometimes. Then I forget to put the sound.
I didn't
Yeah,
even
you
know.
need to open up more.
I noticed he's not telling everyone that he's online now. He might just go. He'll be online most of the time if you go check after 11. No job he got, this fella. He can't go by his wife. I wanted to ask him, like, hey, what you're not with Simone, something, having family issues there, playing games whole night.
Oh. Hi.
No, like it's so weird. Like
Just building up.
every night, like you're not with your wife till late in the morning, like nothing going on at night there. I see. You get angry, yeah?
Kind of meant to be.
Yeah.
No, but that's weird. But you know what I'm saying? He must be fighting with his wife. Definitely. Like, why would you not spend time with your wife at night? Like, all of a sudden, too.
When you're with the person, you stand there.
Huh?
Yeah, Kevin does it. Kevin does it, right?
Yeah, but imagine how angry she is
Kevin does it
now.
all.
She's sleeping alone every night, no one to
Oh.
cuddle with. Yeah,
I'm sure he's watching a series and stuff like that. That's what
Yeah.
I do.
yeah, true. Maybe that. Because she said,
I'll just ask there what while you're playing games.
no, I remember one day he said Simone has her own bedroom and he has his own bedroom too. So his bedroom has
That's his gaming room.
as his game, his plays gaming there. So when he's tired, he just goes sleep way in that same room. And Simone sleeps in the main
Oh.
bedroom. Yeah, you know, like their master bedroom, and he has his own bedroom too. That's good, but that, huh? Imagine having your own bedroom and having your main bedroom and a spare bedroom where you play your games and just fall off to sleep to one time there and then call it a night. That's a proper gaming setup, that with your own room. And then he got his offers for trading on its own, huh? Because I see this place where he's doing it now, he has a green screen there.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's making his streams tops too. It's like an international one. Yeah, but no, these things you must look at it and then we can level up from it. No, we're getting close to these traders. We can feel their lifestyle and then we know what's. Look at these guys, man. They made it with Forex, man. Bloody hell. Trading gave them that freedom. That's why I only watch it.
Yeah.
Like, it gives me like more motivation. That man, look at that lifestyle. All the O's who plays with him, they all full-time traders, huh?
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah, this other one was on the stream last night too. He was talking there. He was saying one O was sent a message on the group. He said that, you know what, I'm on a losing streak. Any advice, Mr. Clint, or something like that. Then Clint tuned him that, are you journaling down all your trades? Number one, and I'm sure, I'm 100% sure that you're not doing that, because first of all, if you're journaling down your trades, you would be learning from your mistakes and you wouldn't be repeating it. Then that losing streak wouldn't happen, which is true. It's like most of the time we lose is because we do something wrong emotionally. That's what he also said. The losses come most of the time through psychology, not technical. Said technical is only 20%. He even forgot it himself because it's so late in the morning and it's half asleep, you can see, and he's drinking energy drink that part of the time. Like, damn.
Yeah.
Yeah, and he's drinking that powerful one. You saw that one he sent the picture of on his status one day. Forgot the name of it.
Yeah, I saw that thing.
Yeah.
He's advertising for it.
Yeah, he's drinking that thing, man. Yeah. And he couldn't get the percentage of psychology and technical. He's thinking now, thinking one way, he's saying, no, technicals is 80%, I think. Yeah, let me think. I think it's 20%. No. Like this, exactly like how you're saying it. Then he said, no. 80% is psychology, 20% is technicals, which is true. You just need 20% knowledge on your system, and 80% lies on yourself. Look at this here now. We could have easily jumped in and forced a trade right now, right or wrong. I'm not feeling to take a trade because I don't see a clear setup. I'm looking at all pairs. I'm looking at GJ, I'm looking at NASDAQ, I'm looking at US30, all pairs while talking to you. I got no FOMO whatsoever because I'm not seeing nothing that's catching my eyes, right or wrong. But if you look at it in the future, what we would have been doing, we'd be just forcing a trade. Like, you want to just push it up.
That's what you need.
No. I feel if you got that feeling that you're okay of not forcing a trade for a day because you're not seeing it, you're on the road to success, on the road. Because all you have to do is just continue the same thing. But you cannot be too timid also, because if the setup is there, you execute. You don't stand back and say, no, I missed it, I missed that. No. If it's looking like what you look for, you take the trade. But if you don't see it,
yes, sir,
don't take it through emotionals, because after sometimes, you see what happens. You see, if you spend a lot of time on the chart, just say 1 hour now you're spending, yeah. And then it comes to your last 15 minutes and you see the setup. Now, what do you do in that case there now? You're already, your brain gets fatigued. It's like, hey, I waited so long, this and that. Now, what we have to do in that case is we need others, like other people's ideas now, whose brains is not so fatigued. Like, just say me and you, we went full straight 2 hours on the charts and we're not seeing something. We need, and like Gav, like Zoe or Keshni now to step in and help us out and check if it's still looking good, because their brains are still fresh. They're not overexerting it from the first 2 hours that me and you did it. So when they come in and they help us out and look at it, if it's making sense for them, we mustn't stand back and say, no, what if they're not right? What if they're right? We must take it. You saw like yesterday, like Zoe saw the GJ sell. I couldn't take it is because I was already fatigued. My mental strength was down. You know what I mean? Because I saw isn't I was going to sell like right on the top, and then I said, okay, I'll wait, because remember I wrote the sell below. And now because my confidence level dropped, because I'm feeling so sad because it dropped so much already. But not thinking, if I never see that drop and I just got in the market at that time, I would have definitely executed on that trade. And we would have easily taken out, I think, about 13, 14 pips because it reached the bottom. Let's go to that chart there. So you see, that's how we can get this thing more better than what it is at the moment. When the new minds kick in, like everyone's minds are different, you know. Look at it here. Yesterday we was right here in the center. Remember, we tried to buy in this dumb area where Gavin picked up. I don't know why he took the buy. See, like that. I thought,
yeah.
I you know, at that particular time, I maybe had FOMO to myself. I said, okay, it's going on an uptrend. We know it's 8 o'clock in the morning. Possibility it might just keep on riding, but not thinking that it's in a high, what demand area I call it now. Let's see if you know. Selling demand, because it's not on the buying demand. Buying demand will be above this level to take it higher. This is still on that sell. You know, its potential can go back down and retest down. That was the only issue yesterday. See, it's like we saying we're buying here and we know for sure it's going to break here. That's what we done yesterday. That was so immature. What a luck I done. I closed it. I closed it at 3 pip stop loss. That was very good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I closed it. Once I made sense of the trade, after taking the trade, I said, nope, out. Now that they caused some doubt in me. You know, once you take one flop up, it automatically tells your brain now that, you know what, you're not in the right mindset. Because first of all, if you took a trade like that, and you remember when I told you the system and technicals must be in line, must be in line. Like if you came down here and you saw the sell, the 30 minutes was breaking the low, or the 15 minutes also breaking the low. By then, our system was full on sells already. Now, if you took that sell there, obviously you had a liquidity grab there. There, the pullback. I saw the pullback. Did we was in the market with the pullback? Okay.
No.
Then I was listening to you.
Yeah.
You know what you told Zoe? You waiting. I don't know what you're waiting for. You're waiting for it to go even more lower.
Wait.
Why would you want to wait for it to go even more lower when it's already in that zone where it got clean candles to the left, that it's gonna be filled? See, lack of confidence that was. Take the trade, man.
No, Zoe would have got stopped out. Would have been. She took the sell.
Yeah.
She was in that sell.
Yeah. Put a very low stop loss, and then I got stopped out.
See where that
The
bullish, that small bullish candle.
This one, yeah.
Yeah, down there. One more. Yeah. You got stopped out on top there
This one.
of that candle. I think there you entered.
But no,
Somewhere, yeah.
she
And
entered,
then it
yeah.
was somewhere here.
No.
Down here.
Yeah, and then I moved.
Yeah.
stop loss
A little
down
bit
there
lower.
on
Yeah.
that candle.
Yeah,
Okay.
just
You entered there.
no, not so low.
Good outside.
No, you
No,
entered
not
here.
entry, my stop loss.
What you done a sell?
Yeah.
See, if you write your trades down, it would have been just go in the book.
Yeah. See, that's why. See what you have to do, right? When you're executing a trade, you must plan it before it happens. See, like if you wanted to sell, right? So I said I want to sell below that area
Should.
there. Huh? And another better way of doing it is by
She entered at
internet died.
Broke that way.
Yeah, like if you want to execute your trade, you see, like when I wrote the cells below, the thing I supposed to do is write down the whole thing down. Okay, I'm executing at this particular price. I'm gonna put my sell order there. put my orders in already and wait for Margaret to trigger it. Because 80% of the time we wouldn't
No,
execute.
yours was that.
That's the thing. I think we're
You're
gonna.
saying
Yeah.
ours
I can't
and
hear.
yours were different.
What, the chart?
Right. Oh. The zones.
What's your zone? That was my zone there. See, I got your
I
150,
deleted it.
300.
I cleared.
Oh, no, I kept it on there because
Yeah.
you see, last night I never come and do a revision. Yeah, I noticed. Yeah, but you must know everyone can see the zones differently. I see it this way, you see it a different way. It's no problem.
No,
Long-
but I wasn't looking to get it back in GJ because it lost.
Yeah, you see. But there was a dumbass loss that day.
That's another thing.
We done a buy
no,
and,
definitely.
and we left out the entire sell move. You know what I mean?
Yeah, we were too
Yeah.
focused on the bias.
Yeah, but I don't
If I
understand.
didn't move my stop loss, I would.
What our system was saying that day, let's see.
It was
I don't know how your stop loss.
22, 8 o'clock.
let's check here. Yeah, it was very dumb. Super dumb.
Is it, yeah?
Yeah, I can see it. I'm looking at the 30
On 8:30 we entered.
Yeah, we entered on that candle.
On the 30 month.
Hey, so bad entry. That though no had no volume. I remember the volume was low. We were thinking the volume is gonna pick up.
All the indicators never line up, so
Hey, it
they
never.
never
lined up.
cross,
Hey, I don't know why.
never
we
go
done it.
above.
I don't know why. I don't know why. We should have just waited for the 9 o'clock. The 9 o'clock gave you a top sell. And Keshni even said, hey, why are you not taking the sell now? I reckon, no, man. I don't know why the buy got me in my head, man. It's Gavin's fault. I blame Gavin. I don't blame myself this time.
Watch your Zoom again. I just asked you there, how's this buy looking?
The way you
Everything was
sounded,
on its bow.
yeah. And even when,
You don't even have to chart.
I don't know. It's like,
Yeah. I remember I came and said, there, see how this buy is looking here? Then he said, yeah, it looks good. And then we executed.
Why?
why, Gavin? Why?
Everything was.
It is.
What? Maybe there was something that was there that stopped us. The 7
no.
o'clock candle, we saw it was bullish.
But I don't understand. I close it quick, man. I manage risk like a pro there. I never wait for anything.
Yeah. Then that,
Yeah, but the bad part is,
you're right.
you
like
see
this.
what the whole focus is think about it. We could have executed the sells after that. We had no confidence to do a sell. It's because of the buy. We can't do that.
Buy was like a,
That's not supposed to happen. We're supposed to have confidence to take the next trade.
yeah.
We must
Like
have
we should have seen it going bad. We should have closed the sell.
and took the sell exactly. See,
And,
our brain
your mind is
has a
strong.
problem. It's like we have to go to the
Yeah.
mental hospital for medication or something for a problem like this. If you carry on like that, you know what I mean? You might be lacking something in your brain, you'll never know what it could be, but it could be something. Maybe you need some sort of nerve tablets or something to get it clear in the morning.
You keep thinking like that, it's really gonna happen. You know that.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're mad, yeah.
You can't say stuff like that. What you put out there will come back to you.
you see,
Those things can be over.
you see the traders what they're taking now. They're taking this new thing. It's called pre-workout for trading. It's a pre-workout.
Those doc- They're just making money, more money. That's
Yeah.
what they want.
Yeah.
If now you take those, and every time your body's going to be dependent on it whenever you need to
Yes.
trade.
Must be like BioPlus or something.
Something like that.
Something for
I say what we
Yeah,
do.
But
no,
you don't
that's
need
We make something naturally for us.
you can
yeah.
meditation and
Yeah, we
all
need
this other
like
stuff.
No,
that.
no.
I think meditation can
Yeah.
help us.
No, we need a boost. You know, like how you have a Red Bull, but I don't want to take those energy drinks. But something very similar, but in a natural form. Maybe we should make like a lemon.
Go gym.
No, no, no. You need like a lemon juice, like something pure that can give you a wake up call, like a sourness or something like that, early in the morning. That they can work. And we'll do some research
You have
on
a blender.
it. Yeah. I think I
You
got.
got a blender, Daya?
Yeah, I got. No, not that, not the shaking, not the one that they make shakes with, but no. Like you remember my supplements, how I used to.
Those,
Yeah, same thing. There's a blender.
you must have
Yeah, I think we're gonna start. Let's try it out. Because you see, I notice that if you notice at 3:30 and the morning trades are two different. The morning is a very slow, like we still like starting up the engine. You look at you can watch the zooms to the morning and the afternoon. It's so different from the way we talk, from the way we analyze, the way we see the markets. Because you know why? We are fully awake now. We are aware. Our awareness is high. Psychology is high. Like everything's to the T. When it comes to the morning GJs, it's like when you take a small loss, you don't have that mental strength for the second trade. So that's something that I figured out that's happening.
Better.
What's that?
I think we're getting
You see,
better.
only recently we started waking up so early,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
doing Zooms early.
It-
As time goes by, we will get used to it.
Yeah,
As we meditate more, our minds will get used.
yeah, true.
It's just gonna take time.
Mm-hmm.
You see that trade now? It was a very dumb trade we done.
It wasn't. Very dumb.
Critical.
Yeah, man. Hey, I don't know. That's why
Yeah.
I'm so upset about it. Because if it wasn't so dumb, I would have said, nah, I'll leave it out. But it's a stupid mistake, you know what I mean? It's sad to do something so immature for us being trading for so long. And imagine if we imagine we are trading it live, Gavin. Thousands of people would have done a dumb mistake just because of us. And that's so sad.
You know what? I think what we expected, we bought, isn't it? I think we expected that because we are saying always buy low, sell high. So maybe we decided to buy low.
that wasn't low.
But at that buy low,
No.
price, this
No, don't get mistaken here. That was sell low. That was in the sell area. Look at the zone. Look here, right?
yeah, it was in a range. It was ranging first.
It
It
was,
was in a small range in the morning.
Yeah.
see, there's a peak.
Go on
Yeah.
your 30 minutes and see. We are analyzing on a small time frame. We always we go low. Yeah, what using?
Where's 30? Look
Where's
here.
the trade?
There, yeah. There on the top, yeah. Wait, I'll open it. Zoom it in. Look here, right?
20.
Okay. This
Right.
is, let me show you how I see it, then you can see how you see it after me, right? Let me get this chart right. Right, look here, right? Right, so when I came in the market, this is what I saw. I saw that candle pushing up, this one here. This candle here, right? So this now already gave us like bullish momentum. You know what I mean? It's pushing up hard. You remember it left a wick down. It broke the high of that candle. We should have entered a buy at that candle breaking the high if we wanted to take a buy. Then the next candle opened. It broke the high. See, it broke the high. Then we got high. We got up said, okay, it broke the high now. Then what's going to happen now? It's going to push up. But not thinking that where the price is right now, I got a support at that area, a resistance. So when I have a resistance here, I know for a fact that I'm not looking for no buys. There's no buys at all. The buys are only valid at that area.
Yeah.
So, you know, when, same thing I told you yesterday, what's that O's name? Iron Man. Buy low, sell high. This, if the price rejected of this area, it now becomes a sell zone. You know what I mean? It's now sells. When it comes here now, if price rejected of this area again, this box, if it now started rejecting off here, then what happens now? Now it comes a buy zone. Now, if the system is giving us buys, we clear to go to continue coming back up here. Now, when it comes here now, if this time this candle now breaks up and closes there, now you can't tell me you want to sell. It's impossible to sell. You might get a wick coming down to bluff some traders that, okay, oh, price is going to come down, but no, price don't do that. Price does that, comes back up, leaves its wick here, and then it starts continuing its trend. Now you're looking for buys. Now you're continuing the trend. Then after here, once it comes here again, now you cannot buy here anymore until this candle breaks above again. But if it rejects over here and if your system is giving you a sell, you clear to go back down to that zone there. That's how it works. See that? It's very simple.
Yeah. Go on your 9 o'clock candle. Let's see how it looks.
9 o'clock candle.
Let's go.
No, I'm taking out all those things, man.
Oh, yeah.
Wait, current.
Let's see what's my game like.
9 o'clock.
No. Same place. 9 o'clock. I want to see how it looks on Landa. On your one.
9.
But my one is telling me there's no buy at all there in the trade we took, man.
There's a 9 o'clock, yeah? It's a flash.
22.
Yeah, 9 o'clock.
9 in the morning.
There's it, yeah?
This was yesterday.
That candle
9 o'clock.
broke the low of the previous 6:30 candle. It broke the low of it and closed underneath that low. You seen that there?
Yeah. I think I know what's the problem.
What?
I was only looking at the system.
No, the
I
system.
was only focused on this.
The system was a sell. If you was focused on the system, you would have caught sell. The system made you enter the
but
sales before.
I think this.
What?
Look more left there. I don't know. Maybe we saw something on the 30 minutes.
I'll go
I'm
back.
trying to justify it and see.
Wait, we'll go to the
what
video.
our mind
I'm
was.
coming now. I'm going to put something on the pressure cooker. All right. Be back shortly.
Right. Let's see. I'm trying to figure out what we were thinking. I think it's this what exactly.
That's why you must write your trades down. You see how
No,
important it
you
is?
got it recorded.
That's why you put that record. You think English is open book.
I also said, see the volume is dying off, yeah?
Where?
Yeah. Look at how low the cell volume is. And if now you have some buy volume,
but
dead
not
cell
enough
volume.
by volume. at
Yeah,
all.
we never think about that. We said, okay, no, the volume is looking good. Then, 122, 8 o'clock channel over here. There's 8 o'clock, yeah. 8 o'clock was printing like this. We saw
Show
this
me the
one.
buy.
Huh?
Show me the buy. Because look at your indicators. It's a sell.
We saw this one coming up
Plus,
slowly.
look at the higher time frame.
Yeah, we rushed it.
You rush
Yeah,
the
you see
process.
this one, yeah, I'm sure I saw it. One year coming up too, yeah.
Yeah, but the thing is, it was still under the baseline.
I was expecting it to break the baseline.
So I thought the 4 hours going to push up to it. Maybe.
I was expecting this whole trade to go back on a buy.
My God, even the daily. Look at the daily. There's no buy volume there at all.
Hey, we missed a
You
buy.
think GJ will melt more, right?
Now it's going as a buy now.
Right.
We should have taken the buy today, yeah?
Never
But it's fine. Look at that push up. Yeah.
No.
20 pip.
Yeah, we rushed that trade. We shouldn't have done that. We was too anxious to take the trade.
Overconfident. You, though? No, I don't know. Say you. I'm gonna see for myself.
Mistakes. He's supposed to be bigger than us.
Mentor.
Yes, tell him.
What's today's day?
Yeah, but it happens. I blame him.
Not sometimes, all the time.
Yeah.
Either blame me or you blame Raja.
Um,
Every time. It's either me or Raja that he blames.
No. Sometimes. You know that like our dads, you have those days.
okay,
We
there's
tend
you're
to,
right.
That's why it's a problem.
Yeah.
As
Number one, look at the first of all, the 1 hour is still a cell. All right, there's it here. Okay,
Oh yeah.
this was at 7:56. Let's continue. First of all, we're looking at volume here. Let's analyze this chart here and see what we saw at that time. Okay, we had selling power coming in, selling downtrend. We had the downtrend there. We had a slight uptrend that caused us here to go. The uptrend was this area here, right? Market went back down. Power came back in. That's this hype over here. Declined again. That means it went up. Then we got this move coming down that way gradually. That's more like a range, right? So I call this a range. From there was a range. You had a slight peak with the buy with that candle there. That was a slight buy, and then we had another drop. So that's why that candle came up there. So that showed a potential drop there, right? See that one candle only. So when we came to the charts at this moment, we had, look here, right? The C1, a sell and a sell. Two things saying sell and under the baseline. Let's see what happened on the last minute that caused us to change from sells to buys. You can see my screen.
Yeah. Yeah, we're looking.
All right, let's go. Going forward. Because I'm sure it broke out. Yeah, see that? Now look now, it's changing our mind now.
Yeah.
Breaking is off. Yeah, let's continue. Let's continue. Oh, there one. Why there's no sound? But
Oh,
you can hear it.
no.
Me too, I can't. Yeah, there one. Look here, right? You can't zoom it here, but look at the area we in and we taking buys, man. Oh, I know why we took it.
said close profits.
Huh? Yeah.
He said
Oh, very small profits, but it's holding that trade long. It's closing 150 bucks. His drawdown was like about 540 pip drawdown. That was.
yeah. Right, back to our GJ.
Yeah, so I know there's a problem, yeah.
But it wasn't no sound there.
I don't know why there's no sound, but there's it, yeah. This candle flipped bullish, right? We took an impulsive entry.
Yeah.
See that candle there flipped. But why is there no sound? Let me just check here.
I'm not saying on the stream. I don't like that vibe set up there, man. Yeah, like, I shouldn't, I was so stupid. I should have played along. I should have said, yeah. Good morning, good morning. But it's going to the support. Hello, how are you?
Okay, you?
I read you're streaming from your house today.
How do you know?
No, because it's so early.
Thought you was what?
It's this Joash. He got a shock. Now see his eyes popped out too, like, ah. I'm afraid forgive me. I got it, yeah? I'm good. I shouldn't, I was so stupid. I should have played along. I should have said, yeah.
Hey, loud that thing, isn't it? Shit. That's a problem. I was worried about that thing there. That's a problem. Okay, there we go. I think this is where we see it. It broke the high of this candle. Look at how beautiful that looks. See it again? That's what happened. Look at the wick. It left the wick down. It's breaking the high. Stop loss below this area here. You can see that. That candle open, bullish first, bearish, breaking the wick, and then we said, right, we in to go. And I probably must be said, okay, I'm gonna TP there. Damn, man. and then I figured out, no, man, the range is too small. And then that's when blah blah blah.
See, they had a mic problem here.
Now that's the problem. We found the problem. I found the problem. Yeah, it was of
more worried about other things.
Yeah, other things. Correct.
I don't know why if I had.
No, but I also got baffled in it too.
Yeah, but see,
both of us got caught.
The 30 minutes was very low, and you see, never ever take a signal when price action don't fit in. I promise you, you see the results will be much better.
The price was so perfect to tell you it's not going up, man.
Yeah.
Look at the thing so nicely. You can see that it's not going any higher. It's just pushing lower and lower.
Exactly.
And respecting and dropping lower.
Exactly.
Yeah, look at this. Oh. Can you see? Let's see. 22.16. Here we are. Look at this here. The price is just going lower and lower and lower. Obviously, done a retracement.
What expensive things, man?
It's
system.
GJ just spiked up like that.
Yeah, today.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah. Now this could be a retracement to push it back down to. We don't know.
Hey, you must be careful with GJ. Lately, it's been doing the opposite of what everyone thinks it does. You notice that? Like
this whole month.
Yeah. It's like
that.
I don't know if you'll notice when we are trading GJ, at 9 o'clock is London Open. normally what you should happen, London Open, it continues at the same direction with volume. You know what I mean? Now, lately, it goes the opposite of it. So it's very, very weird. No, it means like if it's on an uptrend, the whole trend will turn around now and go the other way. It's and then when like if we was on a buy this time, Raja Bank's time, you go back, you see it's like on a full on sell. And then when you go back on London Open, I mean New York Open, it'll go back on the buy. Yeah, so GJ is a bit screwed up. Yeah, but nevertheless,
It has.
what the hell? Who's phoning me? Chavan. Oh, you. Oh. Hey. He saw me online.
Why not?
Oh, video calling today. You must be know we on the Zoom. We Bopad. What time you going, mother girl?
I don't know.
The prayer is like about
Down.
11 o'clock, the prayer.
Yeah, on the group.
What's it?
Link, the Zoom link.
What Zoom link?
No,
Oh, yeah.
I never put the thing on the Zoom. I put it on your page.
Yeah, you send it to me.
Yeah. It's only
Yeah, that's what Zoe's saying.
Yeah. I had to. Hey, get in trouble.
Maybe it's morning. They're asking where's the meeting.
He's asking.
You never answer.
No, but that's what Zoe is saying.
No.
That's why Tavan phoning.
No. He's there now. He expects everyone to be there. You know him. Yeah.
Oh, he's phoning you now.
He's phoning now, man.
Tavan's recording.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
It's a slow morning.
Yeah. I'm not gonna place any trades for the day.
All right, Gavin, I'll meet up with you later. We can't go too long now. We got things to do today, man. But I had to do a lesson, you know. I have to keep on repetition. As what Clint said, 10,000 hours. You know the 10,000 hour rule. Once you buy out, after you buy out something for 10,000 hours, you become pro. I'm sure we completed 10,000 hours on trading so far. I definitely did.
More.
Yeah, but you need to take. You're not taking it seriously.
Yeah. No, Monday is a new day. We'll have a talk.
Yeah.
Yeah. How was the weed? I never tried it yet.
Yeah. Oh my god, it tastes so nice.
Yeah.
It's so fresh.
Yeah.
You know, it's got that herbal taste.
Okay.
That weed taste.
Like they sprayed it.
Yeah.
Very nice.
How's the head look? Laka?
Yeah, and it's sticky.
Last night I never smoked. I think I was so tired. I just slept away. Yeah, that.
Hey, you know when we have our lives, you can't. No. Where Raja talks about weed.
I don't think on YouTube you're allowed to talk about it because it's illegal in some
Yeah, you
countries.
get
so,
copyright.
yeah, you can't use the word weed. You can't.
Just say
You can't use the word. You can't use the word COVID. COVID. You can't use. You have to say the C word.
yeah.
Yeah. You can't say the word COVID on YouTube. Unless you're a professional health advisor or something like that. Even with trading too, we need to say that we're not financial advisors. We're doing this as educational purposes only. You have to have your things in place. Yeah. All right then. Lakers.
All right, Laka.
All right. See you later. Hey, USD is looking like a buy, yeah? Let me check the charts quickly. Yeah.
Raj called it morning.
Yeah, but you see, when he called it, he never expected that drawdown there. But now leave it up. I don't want to trade now. It's a Friday. You don't want to screw up your Friday. Can pay for it, but
Yeah, sure. Plus today, there's a lot of things to do today.
yeah. Toodles.
Normal thing. Toodaloo.
All right. Bye.
All right. Bye.
Bye.